Discover the thrill of a powder day. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a phrase that's like music to the ears of skiers and snowboarders, powder day. If you love fresh snow, this one's definitely for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a powder day is and how to use this phrase just like a native speaker. Imagine waking up to the news that it snowed all night and the slopes at your favorite ski resort are covered in fresh, fluffy snow. This is what skiers and snowboarders call powder day. It refers to a day when a large amount of fresh powder snow has fallen, making for excellent skiing and snowboarding conditions. The term powder here represents the soft, untracked snow that is neither icy nor packed down. It's prized for its lightness and resistance to melting, providing a cushion-like feel for winter sports enthusiasts. For those who revel in winter sports, a powder day is not just a weather condition. It's a call to action. When a powder day is declared, it's common to see eager skiers and snowboarders heading to the mountains early to get the first tracks on fresh snow. The phrase embodies the excitement and rush associated with skiing or snowboarding in optimal conditions. It's almost a holy grail experience for many in the ski community, often resulting in stories that are told and retold as epic tales. When you hear someone says they're hoping for a powder day, they're expressing their desire for a day of good snowfall and the ideal skiing experience. You can use the phrase powder day to talk about past experiences, current weather conditions, or in looking forward to future ski trips. For example, last season, we had an amazing powder day in December. The forecast says it's going to be a powder day tomorrow. I can't wait for the next powder day. I'm so excited to hit the slopes. While powder day primarily relates to skiing and snowboarding, it can be used metaphorically to describe any day that brings about exceptional and exciting conditions for an event or activity. For instance, a big sale event might be referred to as a powder day for shoppers. It's all about the context and the sense of opportunity and excitement the day presents. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what powder day means and how you can use it when talking about more than just skiing and snowboarding. It's a phrase that captures the joy of the perfect conditions, whether on the mountain or in any scenario where everything aligns for an amazing experience. So next time it snows, you'll know exactly what to call it. Happy skiing, and may every snowfall bring you a powder day. Stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.